Stupid time limits. Let's see if I can get through this in the next 5 minutes. If we have Bob and Carol, can't both be on the committee. Okay. So what that means is we could have Bob and Carol, one of them, or neither of them. Now, what we're trying to avoid is this one. Now, basically, Bob and Carol, one or neither, that would be the entire total. Okay. And then we're trying to avoid the Bob and Carol. So if we take the idea of total minus Bob and Carol, this is the easier way of solving this problem. The total number of ways, we have 4 on the committee, 10 lucky. So that's our 14 factorial over 4 factorial, 10 factorial. Now for Bob and Carol, there's Bob, there's Carol. That means there are 2 people left on the committee that aren't Bob or Carol and are 10 lucky. So there's one way to put Bob on the committee, one way to put Carol on the committee. We have 12 objects left, 12 letters in this word to arrange. 2 people on the committee, 10 people not on the committee. And then Stephanie must be on the committee. Our groups are Stephanie and other. We just have Stephanie on the committee. That would mean there's 3 spots left on the committee. 10 people that are still not on the committee. So one way to put Stephanie on the committee, 13 objects to arrange, 3 that are identical, 10 that are identical. Okay. And 526, we'll take a look at that. Okay, so let's take a look at number 17 here. How many arrangements using all the letters of the word parallel are there possible? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. Except we also have 2 A's, 3 L's. How many arrangements possible if all the L's are together? Well, you think about this, we can arrange the word to be L, L, L. We're grouping those together. And then we have our remaining letters. So now we have 6 objects, one of the group of L's, P-A-R-A-E. So there would be 6 factorial ways to arrange them and say we're all distinct. They're not. We have 2 A's. Now, because the L's are all together, they're always going to read L, L, L. So there is only one way to arrange these L's. Okay, but sometimes if that was all an L, a P, and an E, or a P, and R, and an E together, we would have to figure out how many ways to arrange those. Okay. All right, so I'm going to give you an assignment to work on today. I'll be here tomorrow to answer more of your questions. We'll work on this assignment a bit more tomorrow.